Hey guys, it's Aubrey
and Tara, and welcome back to our channel.
Today we're making apple cider donuts. These apple cider donuts are perfect because they're baked and not fried, which makes them really easy. And if you're getting tired of pumpkin spice, this is what you should be making.
It's really simple. All you do is make a quick batter, bake them, and then you top it in cinnamon sugar.
We're really excited, so without further ado, let's show you how to make them.
Alright, so the first step is to prep. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and lightly grease a donut pan. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of grated nutmeg. Using freshly grated nutmeg makes such a big difference, so you don't want to skip on that. Also, it makes your donuts smell so good. Give that a quick whisk, then set aside. In a large bowl, add in half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter, 3/4 cups of packed brown sugar, 1/4 cup of white sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor. Cream that together for about 3 to 4 minutes or until light and fluffy. Now once that's all creamed together, add in 2 large eggs that are room temperature, 1 at a time. This recipe also works using a stand mixer. Once the eggs are mixed in, add the flour mixture into the wet mixture. Beat that until combined, but don't overmix. And scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed. While the mixer is on low, slowly stream in half a cup of apple cider. Mix thoroughly and make sure there are no lumps in the batter. Once that's all combined, it should look something like this. The batter is light and fluffy, yet thick. And now it's time to pipe the donuts. This part is so much fun and it's actually really easy. Take a piping bag with a wide opening and scoop the batter into it. And now just pipe it into your donut pan. Go slow and steady and they'll be perfect. Doing this is so satisfying. And if you don't have a donut pan, you can use a muffin tin. They just won't be donuts, but they'll still taste good. Well, not just good, but amazing. Now bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. While the donuts are baking, we're going to make a quick cinnamon sugar by whisking half a cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Also in the microwave, melt 6 tablespoons of butter. Once the donuts are done baking, transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool for about 5 minutes. These are so cute and we are so happy with how they turned out. After letting them cool for a few minutes, lightly brush them with butter and dunk them in the cinnamon sugar. And there you have your amazing baked apple cider donuts that you made from scratch.
And now it is time for the taste test,
Which is our favorite part.
It has a very soft crumb and they're really moist. And the outer coating of it with the cinnamon sugar gives it a slight crunch. I really love donuts and cinnamon sugar. It's so good. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a like. Please subscribe because it helps our channel, and we will see you next week.
Bye!